To get started, first, search for your item. For example, I will search for jeans. Now press on the extension. We have many different functions available. I will press Extract Search Results. As you can see, we have found 96 items. To add more items, simply scroll down and press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Press Add to Export List again. And there you go. We added more items. To export this, press on the extension, then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting it, open the file. And there you go. Here is all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. I will pick a jean from this list. Then I'll press on the extension. As you can see, we have extract seller listings available now. Let's press on that. Now let's press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again and press Export. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.